कि उनका स्ट्राइक जो है वो खत्म नहीं होगा, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है आपको?
ये जो स्ट्राइक है, हंगर स्ट्राइक, दिस इज एन हंगर स्ट्राइक बेसिकली फॉर गॉड. If you see the way Girish Borkar has a portrait behind him of Baba Sahib, he taught us three things after giving us the constitution: to educate, to agitate, and to organize. So today, in a non-violent way, keeping our Samvidhan, constitution in our mind, he has decided, although we tried to persuade him, that he should take care of his health as well. He's adamant. He's got the genes of his grandfather was a freedom fighter. He's got that blood in his body. He's got that DNA, and I believe he's given a call. The chief minister came and visited him, but he gave a call that there has to be action against the police officer. Terminate usko करना है. दूसरा, इन द विलेज ऑफ सिरदाव पाड़े एंड इन हिज कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी 39A सेक्शन जो कन्वर्जन हुआ है, दे नीड टू बी scrapped. Number 3, 39A in general in the state of Goa also needs to be scrapped. Number 4, the Advocate General has to give an affidavit in the respected courts that the section has been scrapped. Number 5, the cabinet has to take a resolution and make sure that the chief minister announces that this particular section is scrapped. Number 6, he has given he has appealed to the people of Goa, and we should pray for his good health, that God gives him the courage for what he is doing today. It is not easy. He is an elected representative. Despite being humiliated, despite being dragged, he is continuing and doing this for Goa. He has made an appeal to the government that they need to look into it very, very in detail and make sure they do these demands are passed. Otherwise, he said that the agitation will continue and at a larger proportion all over the state.
भी बोल रहे हैं, अपने सोशल एक्टिविस्ट ने भी उनको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश की कि उनके जो हेल्थ पैरामीटर्स है बहुत ख़राब हो रही है, उसके लिए उन्होंने जल्द से जल्द हंगर स्ट्राइक जो है वो खत्म करनी चाहिए. फिर भी गिरीश बोरकर नहीं सुन रहे. तो अगर कल
this is, you please understand, this is a fight for Goa, and Goa is worth fighting for. So he's fighting for Goa. That is a call that he's taking. We tried to convince him for almost half an hour. We were sitting trying to convince him. It is going to take a toll on your health parameters are shifting, your blood parameters are shifting, you are not stable, but he wants to do it for Goa. So you can, it is up to the people of Goa as well today to understand what is happening here, rather than looking at visuals. I think we should all come here as Goenkars, visit him, come here together to the call that is given by this movement, and I am quite sure हमके Goenkar they might be सुसेगार, but once ही जागृती जी पड़ जातली, क्रांती पड़ जातली, this is the need of the hour. This is not doing for his personal property. He is doing this for every Goenkar that needs this to be done in the interest of our future generation.
अगर कल उनकी हेल्थ को
होगा, कल हम रहेगा या ना रहेगा, आप बोल सकते हो क्या? कल किसने देखा है? आज का आज करना.
लेकिन इस समय असेंबली सेशन भी आने वाला है, तो अगर वहाँ पे
और जिम्मेदारी इसकी सरकार के ऊपर है. ये सरकार को पता है, मुख्यमंत्री आके पता है, वो तो डॉक्टर है, उसने इलाज कुछ नहीं किया, आके बात करके गया. इलाज तो कुछ करके जाना मांगता था, कुछ नहीं किया, खाली चाय पी के आया और इधर बात किया चला गया. क्या किया?
लेकिन अगर ये स्ट्राइक खत्म नहीं होगी तो आने वाले दिनों में असेंबली सेशन भी है, वहाँ पे वो आवाज़ नहीं उठा सकते, क्योंकि जो हेल्थ कंडीशन उनकी बहुत ख़राब हो रही है. तो वहाँ पे फाइट कौन देगा असेंबली में?
असेंबली सेशन को 6 तारीख को है. कितने दिन है असेंबली सेशन को?